Alright, so my wheels came in the mail today. Also, I got some, I forgot what was it I got? It was the oil filter gasket kit, so I can change the oil filter gaskets in this, and what else I ordered? It was something else, probably some headlights, but we're gonna unbox this. Pictures with the rest of the packages of car mods and shit. Let's see how these things look. Cause they never sent me a picture of the gloss black. They sent me a picture of the gray. So this is the gloss black. Flip that around. Alright. Usually I be having my stuff on the tripod, but I'm not using my phone. I'm using my new camera that I got. Alright. Let's see. Oh, this is gray. Oh, I forgot I ordered the gray ones. Oh, these are the ones. These are the ones I wanted. Yep. And I got the see, that's how long it's been. A BBS cap for it. Oh, that's gonna look good on here. Yeah, that's gonna look good on here. I like this color. Gray with that. Yo, that's gonna look good. Well, I just got ordered me a tire sensor and get some tires, then I pop that on the car. So yeah, I ordered these like February, the end of February, and it's May 7th. So yeah, these is Alibaba wheels. I don't really care if they rep wheels or not. These wheels look good as hell. It would definitely fit on this car. It's not like I'm tracking this car, so I don't really care if they rep wheels or not. These rep wheels. These joint rep wheels. I had these since 2018. 2018. No, probably was 2018. So that's about like 7 years, and I never had no issues out of these. No cracks, nothing. I do got a let me see. Where is it at? Is it on this wheel? It's on this wheel. But that only came from my accident when I hit the wall. That's the only thing. That's the only issue with these wheels that I got. But besides that, I never had no issues out of it. No cracked wheels, none of that stuff. So I don't really have no issues with rep wheels. I don't know why. I really don't know why people give rep wheels a bad reputation, but I just don't care about it. But these gonna look good. Oh, I only got 3 wheels right now because FedEx, it's like I don't know why they separated these wheels. They probably ain't coming at the same time. So I should be getting the other pair tomorrow. But I'm gonna do the same thing that I did on those wheels. I got 305s on the rear, 305 by 30, 19 in the rear, 255, 30 by 19 in the front. I'm gonna do the same thing to these, but the only difference is these is a 19 by 10 and a half, and these is 19 by 9 and a half. So I will have to put a space in the rear so it can be flush. But I actually forgot I ordered these in gray. The whole time I was waiting, I thought it was gonna be gloss black. But yes, these is gray, and I love this color, man. I love this color. It really look good. But hey, that's all. I'm gonna notify y'all once I put the new wheels on there and the new tire sensors on there. I notify y'all and tell y'all how it rides or not. But in the meantime, I just gotta wait till the tires come in and the wheel sensors. I should be ordering that this weekend.